Today I wanted to show everyone this thing. Nikita plays with these tassels right here, whatever you call this. And these are sweatpants, I think. I caught her playing with them on the floor this one time. So, just wanted to show everybody. For some reason, she likes playing with these. She bites on them and stuff and plays it with like it's a toy. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend doing this if you're gonna wear sweatpants or whatever, because it'll ruin the tassels, but yeah, she does a lot of biting, as you can see. So if you plan on using these sweatpants a lot, I wouldn't recommend doing that. Because look, look at that. She already made that. I don't use these a lot. I only wear them when I'm super cold. They're too thick, even for exercise. You can't really run in them. It's more like a comfy sweatpant, like you wear when you're cold in cold weather. Nah, but I couldn't wear these all the time. It's too hot after a while. Like I said, these aren't the kind for exercise. I swear, Nikita makes anything a toy. Did you see that? She was snapping her jaws like a piranha or something. My God, that was funny. I'll see if she'll do it again. That was funny. No, she's just clawing it now. That was funny when she looked like a snapping piranha when they snap their jaws. That's so funny. Let's see if she'll go on the floor and play with it like she did when I first caught her. Let me see. Yeah, this is almost exactly what it looked like when I first caught her. You should have seen her looking at me because she wasn't sure of how I was going to react. But eventually I will put the sweatpants away because I don't want her to ruin it. I'm not going to let her play with it anymore after this. I just wanted to show you guys this in this video. Yeah, I don't know if that was a response to what I said or not, but I can't understand what she says sometimes. And she lost interest, so bye-bye everyone for now.